The Mid-Columbia region includes the John Day and Umatilla River basins. Here, the majestic rivers and streams of Region 6 flow down steep forested mountains of pine and juniper, making their way through wheat farms, hay fields, and cattle ranches before reaching the Columbia River. This arid landscape tends to have warm, low water flows during the summer months and flooding in the winter and spring. Culverts, like dams, are a serious problem for fish. The jump might be too high for adult fish, or the water velocity too fast for juvenile fish. These fish and other aquatic critters need to be able to move upstream to safer habitats and seek refuge during big storms and summer low flows. Reopening habitats by replacing culverts is one of the most cost-effective ways to help restore salmon populations. By creating a strategy around culvert restoration, local watersheds are working on areas that have high ecological value or areas already in need of in-stream riparian restoration.
The crossings that we're putting in currently are just fantastic because they're these really great, beautiful bridges, but they also are giving us a really good fish passage underneath, and they're still giving me to use my pasture the same way we always had.
Landowners, tribes, and local agencies are coming together in making big strides to support healthy watersheds in the Mid-Columbia region.